My name is Rakesh Chaudhari. I have graduated from Accounting and Finance. I have enrolled for Magic Institute of Excellence for Investment Banking and Hedge Fund course. I have joined this course in 2022 August, and through which I have placed at Enfusion. My overall experience with Magic Institute of Excellence is very fantastic. I got deep learning about hedge fund and investment banking concepts. I got trained by Mr. Vishal Bhojani and various industry experts. They explained me very well about the course and every concept which is included in that. One thing I would like to mention about Magic Institute, that they are different from the other institutes. They are giving 100% placement support and assistance to the students regarding concept and everything. They give me a clear picture about the placement and work culture and what will be my role in the firm. The overall study and understanding of this concept helped me a lot to crack my interview. I will thankful for Mr. Vishal Bhojani and the Magic Institute of Excellence.